What's up, guys? Just wanted to talk to you real quick about this GoPro converter. This is incredibly handy if you have something like a selfie stick or a tripod, something you want to mount a GoPro on but doesn't have the current threading for it. This works so nicely. It's got a little screw on the bottom here, and I've been using it a lot with this Insta360 selfie stick. So you just screw it right on there and it's good to go. Now you can put a screw through it and it will hold a GoPro. It's really, really handy. Also, it's an all metal construction, which I really like from something like this because I've gone through a lot of different GoPro mounts, and having something all metal that I know isn't going to break is really, really nice to have. It also, once you have it clicked on here, you can click it around like this. It's pretty easy to click it around, but it does, like, I've never had it, move when it's not supposed to. So it's kind of the perfect balance of, it's stable, but also, like, if you want to twist it around, you can do it really quick. Really nice, handy accessory for a GoPro. If you're looking for something like this, I would highly recommend this one. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.